what's up everybody? I'm out here, I think it's my third walk for the day already. And I just wanted to come and tell you guys that ese cartílago de tiburón, the shark cartilage, is really helping me a lot. Me está ayudando a lot. Thank God, you know. So when I feel like the pain is too much, I take about 2 or 3. I try to take about 3-4 times a day the shark cartilage, and it's working, you know. I probably, you know, just keep on buying it. Time to get some fresh air porque we're in the house and it's so nice to have my husband home. Oh my gosh, this is un regalo de Dios. Tener a Pauli en la casa sin que tenga que ir al trabajo, eso sí es algo increíble. Mira el bosque tan bonito. So it's so nice right now. The air is nice and crisp. El aire está rico, fresco. Está fresco. Yeah. Plus, I like to come out here and get some sun, coger un poco de sol también, tú me entiendes. And the birds, los pajaritos. So, we've got to do laundry today. Tenemos que hacer lavandería hoy. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day though. It sure is un día maravilloso que ha hecho Dios. Mire, qué belleza. Look at the trees. I'm like, oh, that's what I love about North Carolina. That they have beautiful, beautiful árboles, stuff like that, you know. Let me show you. Let's show you. Look at what's going on. Por acá. Yeah. Look. Right. La piña, and then we have over here lemon and how you say? Lettuce. We got that growing there. Start growing stuff. Yeah, so this is what I do. And it's nice here because I don't have to go down the stairs like my husband's place, you know. Aquí es mejor porque no tengo que bajar tantas escaleras como donde mi marido. So, yeah, this is perfect. So you get the sun. Porque la vitamina D, of course, I take it, but it's nothing like getting the real vitamin D, you know what I mean? Yeah. You hear all those birds? Todos esos pajaritos tan bonitos, como están. Oof. Look at this, look at this. This is just gorgeous. Esto es una belleza. Yes, look at this. It's just... look at that. Beautiful. Right? I love it. So I go all the way up here. Y después vuelvo. I feel like I'd say this is like a pool length. Except, esto es como si estuviera haciendo piscinas. Pero no está el agua, pero lo camino. There's no water, but I walk it. You know what I mean? I'm like, okay, let's do the pool lengths. Whatever keeps you motivated, you know? Whatever works. Yes. No, the skies are just, it is. All the birds, oh my gosh. We hear them in the morning, in la mañana, es tempranito. They start chirping. Yeah, I've already thrown out food here Ya les he tirado la comidita. I just throw it. Yeah. I got a mattress protector, protector de cubre de colchón. I'm thinking of so many things at the same time. Estoy pensando tanto a la misma vez. Yay! Alright guys, esta es la última. This is the last one we do. And then later on I'll come back out and do some more. Y más tarde vuelvo y salgo y hago más. Oh yeah. Se siente rico. It feels good. Plus they say it's good for your, like if you have problems with your, con tus piernas. Claro, lo mejor es caminar. The best thing is walk. Walk. You know. Keep active. And I don't come every day outside. Yo no salgo todos los días. I like to try. Me gusta tratar de salir todos los días. Pero pues hay unos días que realmente no quiero salir. But there's some days in reality I just don't want to go out. But most days I try. So now that my husband is home, I think it's going to be more. You know, ya que está mi, look, a heart from my son. Mira, un corazón de mi chinito en el cielo. I hope you can see. Pero bueno. Ay, chao.